Here's how to buy Nvidia stock using Robinhood. First, open Robinhood and make sure you have funds available for investing. If your buying power is 0, tap Buying Power. Then select Deposit Funds. Choose your linked bank account, enter the amount you want to deposit, and review the transfer. If everything looks correct, confirm the deposit. Bank transfers may take time to fully settle, but Robinhood may provide eligible users with access to instant deposits, allowing you to start investing before the transfer is completed. Once you have buying power available, tap the search icon and search for Nvidia. You can also search using its stock ticker, NVDA. Select Nvidia from the results to open its stock page. Here, you can review Nvidia's price chart, company information, recent news, analyst ratings, statistics, and other available details before making your investment. When you're ready, tap Trade and select Buy. Enter the dollar amount you want to invest. Robinhood supports fractional shares for eligible stocks, so you don't necessarily need enough money to purchase one full Nvidia share. Review your order carefully, including the investment amount and estimated shares you'll receive. Follow the on-screen confirmation to submit the purchase. Once your order is completed, return to your portfolio. Nvidia should now appear under your investments, where you can track your position, total equity, and performance over time. That's all for this video. Thanks.